what you got to do here is you've got to change this to, first of all, an input, and please enter your number. And of course, we want to change it to an integer because by default, the input is a string data type. So run that. We'll see there. I should save this here, and know what I'm calling it. Just maybe a new folder, exam revision Tawny or something. And oh man, that's number 1, example 1. Oh, sure. So please enter your number 4, 5, done. Okay, so that's the first question. Moving on to the second question here. The second question is second question is, currently the number is in integer form. Change it so that the number is able to deal with decimals.